What is Behance and how does it work? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, and that is Behance. So if you're a creative professional or aspiring to be one, you've probably heard of Behance, but do you know that it is something of an interesting platform and it works very differently from what you usually imagine? Well, in this video, we'll dive deep into Behance and uncover its many facets, so let's take a look. Now, first thing first, what exactly is Behance? Well, Behance is an online platform that serves as a showcase for creative professionals to display their work. It's like a digital portfolio of sorts, but it has a twist. It's not just about uploading your project, it's about a thriving community of artists, designers, photographers, fine artists, and more. Think of it as a social network that is tailored for the creative industry. Now, after you have seen what Behance really is, it's time to get started with setting up your account. So to do that, you can go into behance.net and then you're going to click on sign up on the top right. It's very straightforward. You are going to create your account with your email address, and if you already have one, just click on sign in and you can sign in to your pre-existing account. All you have to do is fill in your basic info, and in that info you can start uploading your project. And don't forget to add a professional profile picture, because that is going to be a very essential part of getting hired and building your portfolio. As you guys can see over here, this is just a sample profile. Now I'll show you guys another sample profile that I have. So if I log on to that sample profile, I'll show you guys the different tips and tricks that I've used. That includes making sure that your banner is a really nice banner on Behance. You also need to make sure that your first impression, which is going to be your bio and profile picture, are very nice. So as you guys can see, this is like a sample profile I created, and you guys can see that I have services, projects, as well as a about me section that is tailored to my personal skills, as well as linking any of your social media networks. So you have Etsy, Facebook, Twitter, and other platforms that you can link. Now, moving forward, you have to get started with uploading your project once you have logged on to your Behance account. So once you've built your profile, you've uploaded a profile picture, and you've added a bio, it's very essential to start building your project. And to do that, all you have to do is go into your Behance profile and click on share your work on the top right. Over here, you have 4 options. You can select a live stream, work in progress, service, or project. So we're going to click on project over here, and depending on the niche that you're in, you can add your project. In your project, you can add content such as images, text, photo grids, audio, and video, as well as Lightroom and 3D projects. Then you can also edit your project and add assets. Assets can be free or paid as well. So you can show people maybe different templates for design building, and then the final result could be a paid or free download that people can create. In this way, you can get started by building your project, as well as the fact that using a high quality visual and engaging descriptions whenever you're sharing your project. So if I just upload an image and I leave it as it is, I don't put in any effort. So if I go ahead and take any image from over here, like this one, if I take this image over here, I don't, edit the style, I don't customize it, and I just click on continue. I don't add any info. And if I skip through the title, tags, tools, all of this information is what is going to make the difference between your listing and someone else's project or listing. So keep in mind that an engaging description can make a large difference, and don't forget to organize your projects as well. So you can organize different projects into different collections to make it easier for people to view your projects. Then after that, one of the best aspects of using Behance is the community. You can follow other creatives, appreciate their work, and comment on their posts as well. And this is a great way to start building your networks, get inspired, and gain visibility on the creative world. To do that, you can just go into the Discover section and take a look at the art. If you find something that you find thought-provoking, interesting, or something that catches your eye, simply go into the artist, or just simply click on save over here, and you can save it to a mood board. You can also go into the artist platform. You can take a look at their work, And if you like this work, you can go on ahead and click on appreciate on the bottom right to further boost their engagement, and in turn you really get it back as well on Behance. Now after this, you also have a great opportunity of building and finding jobs. So on Behance, if you go on ahead and take a look at your top left, you have a separate job section. This can be a gateway to exciting job opportunities, and many employers and clients use Behance to discover talent. So if your work catches someone's eye, you just might land your dream project or your dream job. And you can even search for these freelance jobs as well as full-time jobs in your area. You will be able to see some remote jobs as well as some jobs that are required with a physical location. So you might have to work in a actual location, or you can even find multiple different freelance jobs over here, depending on the niche that you are working in. Now, Behance also has a ProSite, which is a special feature which allows you to create a personal website that is seamlessly integrated with your Behance portfolio. Now, I don't recommend using that in a situation where you don't really have your Behance site set up properly. So for that situation, if you are unsure of using ProSite, then just use Wix or any other free website builder like I have over here. So this is just a sample website from another artist, but they have created their entire portfolio on Wix. They have not used a paid domain, they're just using a free domain, and you can just link it in your bio over here to make it easily accessible to anyone that wants to view your work in detail. Then you can also download the Behance mobile app, which is a great way to stay connected even when you're on the go. You can even snap photos of your work using your phone and directly upload them in the live stream or work in progress section, which can be a great way to just further interact with the community on Behance. Now, if you want to explore further, you can go into the asset section on Behance and you will be able to see the different things that you can actually purchase. So these are assets that you can purchase, and you will find all the details about a certain item. So let's take a look at this one like this. And you can see over here that this is a simple little download that you can create, and this is actually a free download. Yeah, so this is a free asset to use, which is something that you're not going to find everywhere. Some of these are paid downloads. You can click on these and just click on download, and you can pay a very small fee for these amazing graphic illustrations and more. So in summary, Behance is a powerful platform for creatives to showcase their work, connect with others, and potentially land amazing opportunities. It's all about building your creative identity and making your mark in the industry, whether you're a designer, photographer, illustrator, or any other creative professional. Behance is a platform that you should explore. So thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content on creativity, tech, and so much more. And I will catch you guys in the next video.